Hey, it's David from Freedom Founders, CEO and founder of the Freedom Founders Mastermind community. Question for you today is, what is wealth? How do we create it? How do we maintain it? So first of all, what is real wealth? Real wealth, I don't believe, is some pile of money. See, I think wealth is when you have capital, which can be money from at one point, but you've put that money, that capital, investing it into other assets that then produce the cash flow, the income on a passive basis, meaning once you place it, once you acquire, you build, invest in that asset, it produces income, cash flow, dividends, whatever it might be, on a regular basis that's relatively sustainable. That's what I believe wealth is. Just having a pile of money or equities in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or even real estate, if it's not producing the cash flow, then what do you really have? You got paper. So that's what real wealth is. It gives you freedom and options. It means that if you have enough wealth, that it produces enough cash flow that you don't have to work trading time for dollars to sustain your lifestyle, provide security for your family, then you're free. You're truly free. And when you get to that point, everything expands. Everything expands, particularly your time, your peace of mind, your ability to be more than you are when you're really working hard in that career. So that's my first construct. Investment versus trader or speculator. So investment is something that you create, acquire, you invest into something that is going to produce regular cash flow income. A trader is somebody who's transactional. They are trading in the stock market. They may be trading by flipping houses. It's fine. You buy it with this price point, you sell at this price point. You're trying to time the market with an asset, right? That's transactional income. That's a business. So very different than an investment. No, nothing wrong with either one, but just keep them straight. See, the thing I see many times is younger people, and remember I was young one day too, and I thought I knew everything. Younger people I see that are taking the euphoria of the marketplace today, very euphoric, irrationally exuberant marketplace, and believing their own press clippings because they feel like they can trade stocks and trade commodities and can make these quick profits. In fact, one young man said that was true wealth, that this buy and hold strategy of investing in tangible or other assets to produce cash flow, that wasn't where wealth was. It's learning how to trade, take your profits today. That's not investment. It's a business, and it's fine if that's what you want to do, but there's no passivity to that. You've got to be in the game all the time. See, unless you learn how to create true investment into equities, into those constructs that provide you regular passive income, that could be in businesses. If you can truly make yourself passive, that should be a goal. Or in what I love is real estate. That's the place I love to invest in because for me, it's far easier. But you can do it either place, business or real estate. But just keep the fact that investment is totally different from speculation or trading, and that wealth is not just some pile of money. It's what you do with that wealth. If you haven't learned how to orchestrate your cash flow from capital investments, if you're abdicating your wealth construction, your retirement planning to Wall Street or some financial advisor, you've missed the boat. See, this is about the business of your money. You've got the business of your business, and you're probably doing that pretty darn well. But if you're not working on the business of your money, learning how to create real wealth that produces cash flow for you, then you've missed it. That's what we do in Freedom Founders. You got to be straight on that. Keep clear and focused on what the real game is. That's my tip for today. I'll see you next time. Remember, always stay focused on your freedom.